Terry and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you some things that I found online to get us ready for the fall. Let's get started. I don't know about you guys, but I still haven't gone into the stores yet physically, so these are all shopped online. How are you doing with that? Are you going into the stores now? Leave me a comment below, let me know what you're doing. So the first thing I want to show you are the silicone trivets that I got from Amazon. They're a really nice size. What I like about these two is because they're really lightweight and they come in 3 different patterns and you can get them in different colors too to match your kitchen. So that's kind of nice too. So this is a 3.5 quart Dutch oven and see how nicely it fits on this trivet. I've been wanting this for a long time, but it's this pumpkin Dutch oven. It's nice, it's inside, it's black. Okay, this is really heavy. Oh! So here is my pumpkin Dutch oven. I just love the gold stem. And it's so pretty. You could really display it on your stove for the entire fall season. So here's some things I got from Hobby Lobby. First off, I got this, it's a black metal 2-tier stand. I love it because it's metal, but I also love it because it's got decent sized shelving inside. I'm going to show you some things that I'm going to put in the stand to decorate it. This little guy I got from Amazon, and if you know me, you know that I just adore gnomes. But this guy is super cute. He's got a Sherpa sweater on and a knit hat, and he's got a real nose. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He's too cute. Okay, so he's gonna go in my stand. I'm also gonna use this letter. Now, I wanted a more distressed letter, but that's all I could find in this size. Either they were too big or too small. So I'm going to use this. I think it'll work out okay. But this was from Amazon. I'm going to use that. And I'm also going to use these pumpkins that I got from Hobby Lobby. They come in a set with some pine cones, and they're like velvet pumpkins. They're actually really cute. They come in this, they say blue, but it's really gray. But you get, what, 6 pumpkins and some pine cones. So I'm gonna put those, scatter them throughout. I also got these beads. This is more traditional with a farmhouse design. I have a tendency to decorate for the fall more towards farmhouse designs. I guess mainly because the fall reminds you of the farms, the barns, the apple orchards, and pumpkin patches, and hay rides, and it just screams farmhouse. These beads I got from Amazon. It's a nice link. What I'm also gonna put in this stand is this little plant. I needed something a little small and short. Yes, it's faux. But I got this on Amazon, and it's tiny, but it also gives me a little bit of greenery that I need for the stand. So that's gonna go on there. I also am going to, if you're into Rae Dunn, she does have some really cute things, but I'm gonna put this little bee honey holder. I was gonna say a bee holder. No, it's a honey holder, but anyway, so I was thinking of putting this on there too. I just wanted to show you this really quick. Look how cute this is. So these are measuring cups. There's 1 cup. And here's a 1/2 cup. And I think that's 1/3 of a cup. And a 1/4 cup. And it all sits together, and you put the little hedgehog on top. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. The thing I got from Hobby Lobby is this wreath, and It seems very simple, but when you get wreaths, they don't have them fluffed, so you want to fluff them out. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do with it. I just thought it was really pretty and delicate, so I'll have to figure out where I'm going to put it, but super cute. Here's where I ended up putting that pretty wreath on my glass pantry door. And I also got this little wooden wheelbarrow. I'm thinking of filling it up with some velvet pumpkins and then maybe put a little sign in front of it. And also, I saw this, I'm gonna add him in front of it. A little straw raccoon. He was so adorable. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am going to have to do something with these guys for a Halloween decor. All I have for today. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope I gave you some ideas and some inspirations for your fall design. I'll be posting new videos up every week, and I'd love to have you join our family. Please subscribe and hit the notification button to see our new videos. Until next time, bye-bye.